Alright, welcome everyone to Beulah FS and Tech Enterprise. This is going to be the third video for the mentorship program. Before now, I have done introductory video and I've also showcased the use of the simple strategy, the beer candle strategy, which most of my students have been using and it's been so profitable for them. So, and live before you this afternoon, today being on 27th November, Wednesday, I am going to be taking trade with the signals right again. This is to create more emphasis or to bring my student closer and more familiar with the strategy. So I've already backtested the same strategy on the market thrice, and as you can see, it's all on green. So I'm going to be making use of it still after now. So as I'm explaining, I'm going to go down here for 1 minute, and at this point I strongly believe that most of you already know the reason for my decision here. Like I used to say that whenever the moving average, which is the yellow line on the chart, follow a downtrend chart. What do I mean? When it follow a downtrend chart, it's been following it and it crosses a red candle recently. Like I used to say that whenever it crosses a red candle, there will always be a bearish movement, and that is the reason why I entered the market selling. Let's just wait. In less than 20 seconds, we are going to see the fate of this particular strategy. I am going to take 2 or 3 trades, and then after I am going to talk more about psychological facts that is going to be of good help. And I strongly believe you understand the reason for my entry here. Also, supported with this, it has already entered on profit. Supported with this stochastic oscillator, as you are seeing, I see whenever it breaks, if it touches the red line, it means that there is oversold. That is, there is too much of selling. And whenever there is too much of selling, there is every possibility that buyers will take the market. But in this case, it crosses it, it lies below it. It means that the market is on the bearish side. That is the reason I entered the market on selling. Also, with the move of the moving averages. So that is the reason for this entry. I'm going to be changing the currency pair, and here we can go up for 1 minute. I strongly believe you understand the reason why I went up here for 1 minute. Like I used to say that whenever the moving averages touches a buying candle from the bottom, there will always be a bullish movement. And as you can see, the market is going up, supported with this particular stochastic oscillator. It's leave the it crosses the overbuying, and it is it is above the green line, which means that this is on the buying side, and that is the reason why I entered the market on buying. And as it stands now, let's check. We have also less than 20 seconds for this particular trade to enter on profit. I am doing this video so that you, my student, can get more used to the simple strategy that I used to use, and that is the reason why I try to re-emphasize more on this particular strategy. This has already also closed on profit. This is becoming the 5th trade now for the day, and it's all on all on green. So I'm going to be selecting another currency pair. I want another setup that I'm going to support one of my explanation, so that I make use of that to enter the market. And this is more similar to what I have explained. I sold. Why? Because I strongly believe most of my old students should be able to know the reason for my entry here, because this moving average fall below the red line of the stochastic oscillator, which means that the market is on the bearish side, like I used to explain. And if you also look at this place, it crosses a red candle here, and the market and the moving average follows a bearish movement. So it means that the market is going to be going down for some time, and that is the reason why I entered the market there with selling. So I strongly believe my explanation is getting more familiar with you guys. This strategy is very simple. This strategy is very, very what? It's very, very simple if you follow me. A lot of people used to say, like, your own form of trading, you make it so easy. Yes, I make it so easy because I discovered these two that make it more easy and more profitable to me in person. Getting this course for 20,000 naira that most of you paid, what more than what you should what go to church and share a testimony. Why? Because most courses that's being sold out today, you can't be able to get what I am teaching you here. This is not bragging, but this is talking about fact and reality that you are seeing before us here. At this point, we are going to go up for 1 minute, and let me explain the reason why I decided to go up. Why? Because the moving average has started forming, trying to face the bullish side. It has started, the tip has started forming to what? To go up. And at that point, it is not a nice time for you to sell again, because any moment from then, the market is going to start going up and it will make correction to the moving average line. It is going to what? We go up and meet with this line any moment from now. And this is exactly what is happening now. You are seeing on the market live before you. You are seeing. So I'm going to leave the arrow on it while I explain. The tip will go and meet it before the market is going to take another decision, or is going to lag in between till the time we are going to take our profit out of the market. Exactly. It has done what I said, and we have already taken our profit out of the market. So this is a working strategy that I use for myself. This particular strategy has made me thousands of dollars, and it can equally help you and reshape your financial life if you follow this with all carefulness. This is becoming the fourth or the seventh trade of the day that is going right on my strategy. This same strategy is with a positive review, as you can see, for most of my students, how they're able to grow their account effortlessly using the simple strategy. So if you are not in my mentorship program, please do.